Hi guys, in this lecture we'll be talking about how to modify elements. By now we know how to use the commands, architecture commands, walls, doors, windows to place these in the model. So now we'll be talking about how to edit those elements with different dimensions. So we'll be editing the wall first. So just click on the wall, press SA to select all the walls with similar properties. So all the walls with similar properties are selected, and then I need to change the wall thickness. So I need to go to edit type. Edit type, this window pops up with all the properties of the walls. So I need to first duplicate it. Every time you need change the dimension or properties of the family. So first you need to duplicate to not change the original properties of the element. So I'll be renaming it as exterior. Exterior. I'll keep the thickness as 1 mm. I rename this is a new set of wall property. Then I need once I rename it, so I need to change the dimension. So to change the dimension, go to structure edit. So here another dialog box pops here. So we need to change the wall thickness here. I type 150 mm. Make sure you paste it with the dimensions. So 150 mm. Now it can automatically converts it into meter. I change the material property of the wall. So I will keep it as brick wall. I need a brick wall. So I'll click on the three dots. Then another dialog box pops. So I'll type here. All the properties are here. So you can make a property of your own only. So I'll go with the pre-existing property. I'll go with brick common. Okay, choose this also. I'll click on OK. And this property is applied to the wall. And I'll click on OK here. So this all the dimension are changed. You can see that the properties of the wall is changed. It's 150 mm now. And then I'll click on OK. Yeah, you can see the change in dimension in all set of walls. To look at this, look in the 3D view, we can click here. So you can see that. Yeah, you can see the brick wall with the thickness. Yeah. Then if you need to change the dimensions or the thickness of the door as well, we can do that. It's the same thing. So click on the door here, you'll get the properties of the door here. Then click on the edit type. Again, all the dimensions are here, so we can change the width here. So I'll keep it 800 mm here. Width and height, I need it as, yeah, I need this as 2 meter. Yeah, you can see that all the dimensions change accordingly. If I keep it as meters, so it remains as it is. If I type it as mm, it converts it into meter because all the units are set to meters. Okay. Now when I go to 3D view, you can see the dimension of the wall has been changed here. So similarly, if you need to change the dimension of the window, you can click on the window, you can change the sill height, and what is sill height I'll show you. This is in, you can see this in west. So I'll select the window. I'll go to the west view. You can see this sill height. Now if I select the window here, you can see the dimensions here. So if I need a window with spacing from the left right wall to be 1 meter, so I type 1 meter here. 1 meter. You can see it changes. So if I need to change the sill height, so I just need to, sill height means this side. So from the bottom of the foundation to the bottom of the this window. So I need to change that. So I can directly change it from here as well. 1 meter. You can see. And then if you need to change all the elements, so first you need to select this and press SA. Then all the, you can see it here, all the all the windows with similar dimensions are selected. See, if I click this and press SA, so all the walls with similar properties are selected. Then I need to change this light to 1 meter for all the windows. So I type 1 meter, and then you can see this windows dimension has been changed. So this is how you need to change the dimension of the windows and doors respectively.